kum gik mane a list ni focus ne government ne aim to do ka ne nitiere achiel mane oka mention miluongo ni targeted population economic development. What that means is the government needs specific programs to target specific population. Specific population in youths, women, and people with disability. Apchel kum program go emineno ka jalup jatend piny ne ditimo Mombasa, Galole, whatever. Okay? Gi aim specific population. To kendo gitemo mondo gimegi konyruok mondo gitim. Mar ariyo kuom gi en gimiluongo ni safety net, provision of safety nets to the vulnerable, to the old and all that. Magite are aimed at cushioning the most vulnerable. Cushioning the most vulnerable economy. Mondo megin bende improve themselves. To gimatimore en ni gimomiyo ji kata investors nyalo ringo mawuok e economy kaka notimore the past years. Gin a number of factors. One of them en ka the tax environment is not conducive. To mane mwatemo wacho ni e budget masani onge gimora mora onge tax manyien, bende onge rates momedi. Mano tiende ni tax rates obedo maintained to kendo onge any new tax mobedo introduced. Mano number one. Number two, en cost of trading kata cost of living. King'iyo kata inflation masani, the last month ne wan at 3.8%, which is good nikech when anytime we are below 5, we are okay. Okay? Sani inflation yes, inflation is stable. Okay? Ka inflation is stable, our currency is stable, exchange rate is good, then the economy can
kuleta ni kwa mgajwang next nite kana mna samoro dana moro mantiere kanjera kacha madangini stability mara inflation